When you think about oral health, you probably think about brushing, flossing, or regular dental checkups. But one of the most valuable tools for understanding your oral health is something your body naturally produces every day: your saliva. It contains important information that can reveal potential problems before you notice any symptoms. Your mouth is home to billions of bacteria. Many help keep your mouth healthy, while others are linked to cavities, gum disease, bad breath, and inflammation. A salivary diagnostic test analyzes your oral microbiome, helping identify harmful bacteria and potential risks that may not be visible during a routine dental exam. Many dental problems develop quietly. By the time pain appears, treatment may already be more complex. Salivary Diagnostics help identify risk factors early, giving your dentist the information needed to recommend preventive care and create a treatment plan that's tailored specifically to your oral health. With Dentulu, your salivary diagnostic results are organized into easy-to-understand digital reports that you and your dental provider can review together. Whether you're monitoring your oral health over time or discussing your results during a virtual consultation, Connected Dentistry makes it easier to stay informed and take action earlier. Smarter diagnostics lead to healthier smiles.